why do I need to do skincare? I don't think skincare is necessary. I don't think I need a skincare. I really don't have time for skincare. Well, this is what most of the men say when we ask them about their skincare routine. Well, I believe skincare is not limited to women, and to prove that fact, if you talk about men's skin, it's usually thicker as compared to women's skin. Men usually have high testosterone levels, which leads to excessive oil production, which makes your skin prone to dirt and acne, and even gives you a rough texture. And the men who are into regular shaving can experience more dryness and stressed skin as compared to the women's skin. Well, considering these points, I believe talking about men's achievements and contribution are not the only ways to celebrate the International Men's Day. I believe there's more to it, which starts with self-care, where the Bioderma range of skincare products has helped me immensely. The Sebium Gel Moussant and the Sebium Hydra are ideal for the combination and oily type of skin which we men usually do have. The Sebium Gel Moussant is an anti-acne cleanser which gently cleanses your skin without drying it out and respecting pH balance of the skin with 83% sebum reduction. Just take a small amount of Sebium Gel Moussant to wash your face and keep dirt and oil away from your skin throughout the day. It cleanses without drying out your skin as it is powered with zinc and copper sulfate. Whereas the Sebium Hydra is an anti-acne moisturizer which provides 24-hour hydration. It soothes redness and the sensation of tightness as it contains ceramide, glycerin and allantoin. But this is what all it takes to take care of yourself and celebrate the International Men's Day to the fullest.